The COSLUS 2-in-1 Oral Kit is a versatile and portable solution for comprehensive oral care, ideal for families, travelers, and individuals with braces or sensitive gums. This innovative kit combines an electric toothbrush and a water flosser, delivering an impressive double cleaning action that targets both the surface of teeth and the spaces between them. With multiple operation modes and interchangeable tips, it caters to diverse oral health needs, ensuring a confident smile for everyone. The upgraded battery life makes it perfect for long journeys, lasting up to 30 days for the flosser and 45 days for the toothbrush, with convenient USB fast charging. Featuring a generous 300 milliliter BPA-free water tank, it minimizes the need for frequent refills, enhancing the efficiency of your oral hygiene routine. Lightweight yet powerful, the COSLUS kit weighs under 400 grams, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize functionality and portability in their dental care.